very excited to build on the success of our operation here in Hazel Park, where we've been for a number of years, and to be able to launch Prime Air to deliver for customers in Hazel Park. So Prime Air is our sub 1 hour delivery option, which is an option on top of an Amazon delivery. It delivers a 5-pound package via drone in less than 1 hour. So when you're going through your traditional order on Amazon, you're clicking through, the option will come up if the item that you selected is available for delivery. There's about 60,000 items that can make that. And if your entire delivery is less than 5 pounds, that option will come up if it's available in your area. So that would be less than 1 hour to deliver those products. Weighs about 80 pounds, flies at about 7.5 mile delivery from around the fulfillment center here in Hazel Park, where it can make deliveries. So this will open up at about 9 to 12 feet, and it'll tilt, and then it'll drop the shoebox to the location. Under here, there's about a 5-pound box, and it's about the size of a shoebox, pops in here, and as you can see, it does a vertical ascent, flies at about 400 feet. A lot of people are interested in the level that it flies at. We work very closely with our Oakland County and our aerospace professionals, with FAA regulators, to make sure that everyone's in communication about where we'll fly at about 400 feet. The ideal time is 1 hour, but we've often found that it's sub 1 hour delivery for the packages once you select it. You'll have an option that comes up when you're ordering of where you'd like it to be placed. It'll give you a few options that are the most convenient for you. And in terms of when the delivery is made, it'll be a notification just like your Amazon package typically. What we found is that the most items that are ordered are household cleaning supplies, last second cooking, maybe you forgot the baking soda, or we found that gifts near the holiday season that are less than 5 pounds, and gift cards are ordered very often. In the state of Michigan, Hazel Park will be our second deployment. We started in Pontiac. We've been live for about 3 months now. And so we believe that customers have been enjoying the service. There's been a very robust offering and delivery through Prime Air. In Hazel Park, it really is a great opportunity to build on the trust that we've had with the community here for a number of years. It fits very nicely to be able to deliver for customers in the radius of the location, and also to continue to support the community here in Hazel Park, where we've lived and worked for quite a while. On the noise, we want to make sure that folks are clear kind of on the decibel in terms of what that sound would be like. You've heard it say like quieter than a vacuum cleaner, and very often because of where the drone drops from 9 to 12 feet, that's not going to come within that listening range of where you are. Secondly, on security, nothing more important to Amazon in terms of making sure that our customers are safe and secure on both their data side. Very important to know that Amazon doesn't sell customer data across the board, and so we're protected there. And also, we really want to encourage customers to get online and learn more robustly about Amazon's offerings and privacy at amazon.com/privacy. There's a real deep dive on all the ways that we're protecting our customers from their information, security, and geo across that through the business. But we want to make sure that Hazel Park residents have the opportunity to directly interact with Amazonians who live in the community. The programs that we've been investing in to support the community: recreation, wellness, food security, always making sure that we're giving back to the community and supporting our local Amazonians who live and work in Hazel Park.